Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make this simple stand for your bikes. It's really easy. Hold your bikes off the ground so you can work on them without having to sit on the ground. So yeah, all this is a board with holes drilled into it and screws. So all you need is those three things. So you want 5 screws, a board. You can do whatever length you want depending on your workbench. This was just a scrap board I had, so, and you're gonna want 5 screws. So what you want to do is you want to figure out where you want to screw the board into your workbench at. So you will want 2 at the back and then 2 up further forward. I put mine about a half a foot in from my the edge of my workbench. And you want to pre-drill and countersink these, so if you have shorter screws they can go all the way through. Then at the very end you want to add a screw here so that the bike won't slide off the end if it, and yeah, that's it. That's all you need to make this simple stand.